This is a quick overview comparison of coverage you can achieve using different available no-cost spectrums, meaning spectrum you did not have to purchase. We are going to compare 2.4 GHz to 900 MHz and 220 MHz. For those of us that are non-frequency savvy, it's important to understand that the higher the frequency you use, the shorter the distance the signal could travel, and the lower frequencies begin in megahertz and the higher are gigahertz. For instance, a standard TV channel that most everyone can receive with their bunny ears on their TV set are in the 50 to 200 megahertz range. Those frequencies were chosen because they did travel very far. Here is a satellite view of Parkersburg, West Virginia. Lots of trees, hills, and very green when this image was taken. The red marker in the center indicates the location of the master radio in this scenario. Now we are going to overlay the coverage you get when using 2.4 GHz in purple. The darker the purple, the better the coverage. So anywhere you see dark purple without any other interference, you should have a good signal. But what do I mean by interference? Since these available no-cost frequencies are shared, they are unlicensed, meaning anyone can plop up a system of the same frequency in the same location or in your transmission path at any time. Next, let's see what a 900 MHz deployment looks like. Same parameters except for the frequency, and we see a much larger coverage area as it should be. Transmission of wireless signal is physics, so there should not be any surprises in a clean environment. And by clean, I mean no other transmission interference. And just like the 2.4 GHz in purple, the darker the red, the better the signal, and as it fades to lighter colors, the more risky the connection. And since 900 MHz has a better distance, many industrial users, meaning companies, select 900 MHz, but everyone that goes up can create new interference for you. Let's see what happens now with 200 MHz. Wow, all that bright green is good solid coverage, and here's the even better part. Unlike the 2.4 and 900 spectrum with Parseus 217 to 220 MHz radios, you get FCC license protected status just for the cost of filing the license. The 217 to 220 MHz spectrum is protected on a first-come, first-served basis from the FCC, and the patented cognitive features of the Parseus radios will accommodate quite a few users in the same area before no more will be allowed. However, once the spectrum is used, it's gone, so don't delay. No one can create more spectrum. It is finite. Contact Parseus today to learn about our distance and license protection advantage and the spectrum availability for your area.